Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. So we are here to predict the next week prediction, and in this video you'll see that what will gold take a path direction for the coming week. So we start our video with our factors. We have a few factors which we discuss here, and we will discuss them properly, and we will see that what is the impact of these factors on the gold. First of all, factors of the analysis which we discuss in this video. So number first was a factor. We have a weekly high which is necessary for the analyzing of the week, and weekly high and weekly low and weekly low. So here we'll see that what's the weekly high and the weekly low. So let's we start our video, and our week has been started from the Monday here. Here this is a start of the week. So here we see that this area is a weekly high. We'll consider this as a weekly high. This is the weekly high. Now we will see that what's the weekly low. So I think this is the closing of the market is almost a weekly low. So we will see that weekly low, and this is area will be considered for the weekly low. Almost the closing is the area of the weekly low. This is a weekly low, and now we will see that what is the resistance and the support levels, which is the most important thing in the analysis, and they have a very important role in the gold market for the technical analysis. So here we will see that support and resistance. Let's see. We will see that what's the previous low and what is the nearest low. That area will be considered for the support area, and in this video we will see that this area is the very nearest to the price, so it will be considered for the support area. This area will be considered for the support area, and this is the support area. Now we will see that what is the uh, resistance level, a nearest resistance level. This area will be considered for the resistance. So because 2 weeks highest price area is that, so we will consider that resistance level. This is the area of resistance. So this is the support and this is the resistance, and now we will see that what is the most next important thing for the fundamentals analysis. Here we will see that what's the closing price is the most important thing which help us to predict the first day of a market. Closing of the market. So first the closing of market, this area was a closing of the market, almost the weekly low and the weekly high is almost same. So we will see that closing. So we will see that it's a weekly high and weekly low, and closing is almost same. And now we will see that what's the liquidity and where is the liquidity. Liquidity have an important role in the fundamentals analysis, and liquidity, this is the liquidity which give us a very good setups in the market. So without the liquidity we can't predict the market next path. So I am expecting a few things which we discuss in this video, and which help us to find the area for liquidity. I'm expecting this, and that the price was close here, and it will go almost I will see and expecting this is the support area. So a few down path will be finded here, and this area will be considered for the liquidity. This is the liquidity area. Keep here. And now we will see that what's the next path. We have a fundamentals news which can be directly impact on the gold market. So we will discuss the fundamentals news here, and this is the news. Fundamental news is that Iran says it completely close the Strait of Hormuz if the US target power plants. So this is the major news, and that's a serious escalation. If Iran closes the Strait of Hormuz, it could signify the disrupt global oil supplies, potentially giving up the oil and gas prices. And this might boost the gold prices as a safe haven asset. And given the latter, if we see that the scenario, invest might flow to the gold as a hedge against the uncertainty. So gold will directly boost it, and it will take the upward direction. So here we will see that where gold can we go. So this is the path. I'm expecting that price was go down to fill the liquidity area, and then it go there. This is a daily high, and recover this, and price will be back towards the weekly high. This is the analysis which I expect for the coming week. So thank you very much. Hope you all are uh, uh, you will see that how the price take the path for the next week. So thank you very much.